Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and I have a quick video for you today. One of my YouTube viewers sent me the question, what is the best time for me to hire a workers' comp lawyer in my workers' comp case? And I guess that they had consulted with a lawyer early on, right after their injury, and the lawyer didn't want the case. So they're afraid to call another lawyer in case they get turned down again. So here is the short answer. The best time to get a lawyer involved in your workers' comp case is as early as possible, okay? Getting a lawyer involved early is important because a lawyer can tell you whether your treating doctor is going to help you or not. They probably, if they know what they're doing, and they've been doing it for a while, they're going to be able to tell you whether your doctor is pro-employee or pro-insurance company. If they're pro-insurance company, they're going to limit the value of your case and they're going to cut off your benefits early, or at least there's a big risk of that. So that's one thing a lawyer can do. Another thing a lawyer can do is, insurance companies will cut off your workers' comp benefits at any time for any reason, even if it's just a bureaucratic mistake. They'll cut off your benefits and you'll have no doctor visits, no money coming in, and no way to reach anybody at the insurance company who's willing to get on the phone and handle things for you. But a lawyer can straighten all of that out for you, stress-free for you, which is why it's like building a building, right? Or playing chess. If you build a building and the foundation is weak, the whole building can collapse, right? Or like playing chess. You can have the best chess grandmaster who comes in at the end of the game, but if the beginning of the game you made a bunch of mistakes, nobody's going to win that chess match for you. So the sooner the chess master comes in and gets involved in the game, the more likely it is you're going to win the game, right? So that's why you got to hire a lawyer right away. Now listen, there's a million reasons why a lawyer might turn down a case. I've had people tell me that a lawyer turned down their case because he's getting very old and he's getting sick and he's not taking new cases. I've had lawyers turn down cases because they work at a boutique law firm where they advertise for general injury cases, but now they're just focusing on, for example, medical malpractice cases, and you have a workers' comp, so they tell you they don't want to handle the case. Here's another really common one, and this is probably the most common one. There's a lot of lawyers out there who only want the slow pitch home run case. So the easy to hit, out of the park, major, massive injury case where all the ducks are in a row. And if there's any work involved, any fighting involved, any effort involved, they don't want to be involved in the case. And for whatever reason, they've got so many cases that they don't even want to get involved in a smaller case or any case with the least little problem in it. They don't want the hassle. They just want the $1 million case that they can work on, for 10 hours or less and cash, a six-figure check for themselves, right? So there's a million reasons why a lawyer may have turned down your case initially. I would say talk to another lawyer. And when you talk to another lawyer, if they turn down your case, ask them why. Ask them to put it in writing, or you write it down when they tell you why they're not interested. Now, sometimes lawyers will give BS reasons. They'll say, oh, my practice is full, or whatever. They'll give you like, oh, I have a conflict. They'll say something like that. That doesn't really give you an answer. But if that's the only answer they feel comfortable giving you, it might be that they don't really know what they're doing. They might not really handle injury cases. But, if a lawyer gives you an answer like that, that doesn't necessarily mean your case is bad. So my advice is to everyone is talk to a lawyer immediately after your injury, whether it's workers' comp, car crash, whatever it is. If there's a fatal flaw in your case, a lawyer will let you know that. But just because a lawyer turns your case down does not mean that there's a fatal flaw in it. Lawyers turn down cases for any number of reasons, and you shouldn't take it as meaning that your case is terrible and unwinnable. So definitely talk to a couple of different lawyers. If you or a loved one has a case that you'd like to talk to me about, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. You can always reach me anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. And I have great tools on my website in the description. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. I release videos like twice a week. So if you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you'll get notification when I release the new videos. So check that out. And if you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review on Google, the link is in the description. It only takes you a couple of seconds, but it's a big favor for me. So hope you and the family are well. If I can be of assistance, please do not hesitate to call me, 312-500-4500. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Take care. Bye-bye.